Hi guys, I am Steve from 2Cat Media and welcome to another video. Well, welcome to the channel in general. Welcome my friends. Now, calm down, okay? Before you say anything, listen, I'm still in the process of getting over stuff, and a test flight for the HS175D will be coming hopefully then over the next week or so, okay? So don't worry about that, okay? Hopefully next week, actually, weather permitting. Now, there is one issue, actually, is the Affilia Go app. Now, someone posted a question about what does the icon look like on the Affilia Go app. And I thought, well, I've recently purchased a new phone, Google Pixel 6, and I transferred a lot of my apps and that over from my Huawei P30 Pro. And I didn't really notice until I started looking, and I couldn't find the Affilia Go app. All the other apps are on there, the MRC Pro, different other Holy Stone versions for different drones, But the Affilia Go app isn't on the new phone. And so I looked on the Google Play Store, and I can't see it at all. And yeah, but the MRC Pro app's on there, and everything else is on there, but not the Affilia Go app. Now, I'm yet to look on an Apple store because I haven't got access to an Apple phone. But tell me, can you see the Affilia Go app on the App Store? So, for people who are buying the HS720E, the HS720, the HS700E, I think, and maybe the D, I'm not sure, but definitely the E, that works with the Affilia Go app, doesn't it? And obviously the MRC Pro. But if you purchase one today, how would you fly it with a camera if you can't get access to the app? Now, I don't know if the QR code works, etc. That's inside the manual. That is something that maybe we could test out. But guys, listen, as a community, let me know in the comments down below what's happening. Can you see, is it just me? Can you see the Affilia Go app? Is it missing? What's wrong with it? We need to investigate on this, okay? So, yeah, listen, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share if you can, and also subscribe if you are new to the channel, and also click the notification bell as well. The HS175D is coming soon, the test flight. Don't worry about that. But where is the Affilia Go app for the HS720E and the HS720 and the 700E as well? Where is it? I don't know. So, guys, let me know about the App Store. Let me know about the Apple Store as well. What's happening? Okay. See you on the next video, hopefully for the test flight soon.